Inserting multi-flight stairs. We start by indicating the position of the first step. The next point is the first break in the flight of stairs, which in this case is the corner of the room. Click the width icon and enter the width of the flight. We confirm with enter. The next break in the flight will be the other corner. Select the last point where the flight ends and click the right mouse button. The stairs are defined after drawing by entering the Properties window. We check the automatically calculated stride length. We start modifying this value by changing the number of steps. We correct the full height of the stairs. If necessary, we modify further parameters such as tread depth. In the preview, we can see the defined stairs. Turning off the risers, we create see-through stairs for which we can turn on the stringers on the right side of the window. The materials of individual elements of the stairs are defined under the Surfaces button. We decide on the appearance of the stairs on the plan and approve the modifications. Together with the stairs of the same shape, an opening is introduced in the ceiling. To see it, the ceiling must be inserted in the project and turned on in the 3D view. To remove the ceiling above the stairwell, mark an opening in the ceiling on the projection. In the Edit window, we choose Delete Point, and we indicate the unnecessary vertices of the opening contour. We can also move the opening handle if necessary. You can swap the ascent side by using the Invert Stair Direction option. We can put a railing on the inserted stairs. To do this, in the Edit window, click the Insert Railing on Stairs icon. Select the side of the balustrade position, its distance from the edge, and to define the parameters, we enter the properties. We choose the posts. We define the parameters of the cross-section and the decor. The surfaces, i.e. materials of individual elements, are selected from the program's library or selected from the raster image. We choose the type of filling, We define the parameters of the cross-section and the decor. If there are only posts in the railing, then we choose empty filling in the fillings. We do the same with the framings and fixings. Then we define the parameters of the railing. If all data has been defined, exit the window with the OK button and confirm insertion in the balustrade insertion window.